Hello everyone, welcome to our question series on the topic linear programming problem. So this is the question of today. This was asked in GATE 2018. Read the statement first. Consider the linear programming problem. Maximize alpha x1 plus x2 subject to, there are three constraints given as you can see. 2x1 plus x2 less than equals to 6. Minus x1 plus x2 less than equals to 1, x1 plus x2 less than equals to 4, and the non-negativity restrictions are there, where alpha is a constant. So basically they are talking about this alpha, which is given in the objective function. If 3, 0 is the only optimal solution, then so we have to figure out the correct option out of these A, B, C, D, that what is the range of alpha. So most of the times, because we are given two variable problem, so we know that we can handle these kind of problems by graphically by drawing their graphs. So let's quickly draw the graph and the feasible region of the problem, because the alpha parameter is coming in the objective function, so its role will come later, but first we have to draw the constraints. So these three lines I have to draw. First I have to draw them as lines, and then accordingly we can mark the feasible region. So drawing the x1 x2 plane. So first line I'm going to draw is 2x1 plus x2 equals to 6, which has coordinates 3, 0 and 0, 6. So that's first equation. Second line is minus x1 plus x2 equals to 1. And third line is x1 plus x2 equals to 4. That's also a negative slope line. And this is a feasible region, as you can see by reading the sign of inequalities. And 2, 2 is the coordinates of this point, is the intersection of this point, and this is obviously 0, 0. So now we have found the feasible region. Now I want to know, because I am already given the optimal solution. They are telling me that 3, 0 is the optimal solution. So this point 3, 0 is the optimal solution. So if you look at the value of objective function alpha x1 plus x2 at the point 3, 0, so you will find this is nothing but 3 alpha. And since this is maximum, so it will be greater than the value of objective function at all other points. वहां से हमें अल्फा की रेंज पता चल जाएगी. So if you put this in the point 2, 2, then you will see the value of objective function is 2 alpha plus 2. So since this one is the optimal, 3, 0 is the optimal, so that means this 2 alpha plus 2 should be less than 3 alpha. Why it is less? बिकॉज ये मैक्सिमम है 3, 0 पे जो वैल्यू है वो मैक्सिमम है. सो 2 अल्फा प्लस 2 इज स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन 3 अल्फा. स्ट्रिक्टली होगा क्योंकि वो ओनली ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन है. दैट मीन्स मैच भी नहीं कर सकती है कहीं और वैल्यू उस वैल्यू के साथ. सो दिस क्लियरली गिव्स मी 2 is less than 3 alpha minus 2 alpha is this, which is D option. Alpha is greater than 2. So clearly हमने जो लॉजिक यूज किया है वो ये यूज किया है, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें गिवन था कि ये ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन है. हालांकि हमें सिर्फ एक पॉइंट के साथ कंपैरिजन करने से ही अपना सही ऑप्शन मिल गया, कि हमने 2, 2 से कंपेयर किया. हो सकता है अगर ये वाला ऑप्शन कंप्लीटली करेक्ट नहीं होता, इसका मान लो सपोज कोई अपर बाउंड भी होती, तो मे बी हमें और पॉइंट्स यूज करने पड़ते कंपैरिजन के लिए. बट लॉजिक यही रहेगा कि ये ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन है, इसलिए इसी पे वैल्यू मैक्सिमम होगी, बाकी सब पॉइंट्स पे वैल्यू से कम होगी. So using that logic we can figure out the correct answer. So that's it for this question. We have figured out the correct option. Thank you.